If you see in the distance over there, the car's lights, they just stole the tires. Let's see how far they go if they run the light. Yep, as you know. You gotta have a camera on you all times. Always gotta be on. Now, if that was a 360 camera, oh man, I'd probably catch a little bit more. Now, did that go through a red light as well? Yes, they did. I might as well head back home, not come out. Woo-wee, what a wacky world we live in. Yeah, that's a ride along. Where we gotta get going. I don't know if I want to get going where I want to go to. So let's get going. Well, sky don't look nice today. Cloudy and overcast above. But at least we got the lights. Got a beautiful shot. Like traffic on the bridge. Fish, bike, walk. Just be there, have a good time. This sailboat would never get out of here. Still here. It doesn't matter which 360 camera. Insta360, DJI Osmo. The thing is, take a 3-minute video of 360 and just talk, express how you feel, show what you want to show in just one motion, and put it up in a 360 actual video, and take the actual 360 file and put it down below, and give people an opportunity to take that video and have fun editing. They could put it in their recent, old, new laptop, desktop, phone. I don't know if it's going to be phone, because what happens is people put up samples and they don't include everything, and that's the problem. You have trouble getting to edit the actual video. Then that person who's looking to get a 360 and got all those questions can work with that file and decide if a 360 camera is really for them. They can see how easy it is to frustration. And it doesn't take a minute to edit a video. And I think I'm going to be doing that on a nice, bright day. We got the crane, got some work at the college. And my talk spot is taken. They're set up over there to do some type of work. Yes, indeed. So how do you like that idea? You know, it's very helpful to all out there, and to get an idea how 360 really works. Now, 360, yes, it can be a go-to camera and all. But the thing I find is if I hold my camera like this, close to me, and I'm filming, how would 360 look? That's the thing. 360 is supposed to be 1 meter from you to get the look. But once you start to get close, the problem goes, it starts to warp everything. That's when you put the camera in the mouth and you get that funny face look. So remember, 360, it's gotta be on the pole, gotta be on the selfie stick, and your hand's gotta be out there to a certain distance, a minimum distance, that is. So I'm back here again. You think there's a key to get in so the tennis people can? We're locked up. Always locked up. I gotta lift my bike and go over. I'm just gonna go find the main entrance. Now, it's enough to tick people off, putting a gate up. And there's the gate knocked down. Fix the gate and you won't have a problem. But just put something in substitute. For how many years? Not right. Park's closed, but no park open. Dusk to dawn. Dawn to dusk, that is. We got a cruise ship. It came in. Ah, man, I should have went down when I should have went. All right, I'm here. It's my highlight of the talk. Get my white helmet with the words ride out of the way. My royal blue Cannondale Adventure 2 with black, brown, and I'm wearing gray shirt and a pair of blue jeans and brown sneakers. It's cloudy, tan sand, and a cruise ship in the distance. This is D-Log M. And I watched the video and I sat there and found the video of the person that made, and he uses D-Log M. He puts in the LUTs that's paid, and then he color grades with the spin wheel, and he adds it in, I forget, before the dehancer. And I may have to watch it again and just write down the steps. Well, the software I use is Wondershare Filmora 14, and it's not the best software in the world to do that work, if asked. And I don't love it, I don't hate it. It does for what I need to do that Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2025 suite cannot do. And Cyberlink Power Director, another one, just cannot do. And I find it a lot easier when things are right in the front. You just click it, it opens up to that window, and you're able to bring it in. But it's not perfect, Wondershare. Now, I just heard it beeps again. He's taking pictures down over there. And yeah, so I'm going to rewatch the picture, but this is in D-Log M, and I don't think I'm going to get it the way his video looks, because my videos are always in low-level light at the beginning. I'm afraid to say that it may work for scenes that you're in daytime, but nighttime, what colors can you see at nighttime? What colors can you see now in a regular 10-bit? If I shot everything in 8-bit, there's no complaints. The story got across, and the job got done. I don't know how much color you can get out of today's video. So, and just doing all those different scenes and color correcting all those things, that's a lot of time. Unless you made it perfect and you got that preset that you just slap it on there and just put your video and it does it like that, then great. But color grade, to me, it's difficult for me. I don't have the time like I used to have the time to do that, because I'll be there picking on every single scene, every single shot. Man, this doesn't match that color. It cannot get what my eyes see, and I gotta try to tweak it. I added this in. I'll be there for a lifetime. Now, I forgot what I had set on to when I started to change over to D-Log M. So hopefully I'm back on to what I had it set to. If not, so be it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I got film. It works out just fine for me. Maybe by winter time we'll have an ice rink over here. This is like a month later, still here. Well, let's get on out, get on going. Let's go see what at the beginning we shown, seen, what it looks like, what has happened. We passed the traffic, let's get on going. I'm getting to where I need to be at. My light just gave out like that. So we're almost there. Let's see what we see. So far, I don't see anything. It all looks good to me. Maybe they were at the pump. But this road is going to be taken care of. It's like right over here. It's like right by this car. If it was lifted up and smacked around, I guess it was just commotion. And on that note, see you on the next adventure.